Alright, so get this, everyone. I said there'd be a follow-up video, and I'm finishing up with this big printer here. So I put the hot end all together and everything, and let's see, we got it warmed up, and here is a new presenting problem. So the extruder now does not have enough power to literally just move the filament. I mean, it's not jammed at all. See, it literally does it with like that much force, and see, it's coming out of the nozzle just fine, but you put just a little bit. I mean, just like my finger can stop it. If your finger can stop it, there's not enough power going through this thing. So I thought it was the connections, so I soldered all the connections. They're still exposed. But see, there's literally enough that I can power through it with it. I don't know what is causing it to want to slip, but it just doesn't make any sense. Like, just pushing the filament is enough force to go down. It doesn't make any sense. I don't know if the motor went bad or something, but I mean, there's no damn resistance in this whole setup. Like, I don't get it. So this sucks that somehow the voltage to the hot end got turned down, or somehow the somehow something happened on the back end of this thing, so the voltage turned down. So I will now have to figure out why that's off and what happened with it. Maybe we'll have to do another motor swap. I don't know. But that's what I'm dealing with now. I just want this thing to start. I'm already like, I wanted to just come up here on a Sunday and like maybe do 1-2 hours worth of work, start the big printer, maintenance it, and to have it fail, break, catastrophically break, and now I put it all back together and I just expect it to work, and I get like a totally different presenting problem. Like, I literally did not have this issue just beforehand. I printed it, I took part of it apart, put it back together, and now I don't have enough voltage at the extruder. It just doesn't make sense. Look, there was the first attempt. That's a full waste of it. There's a third of the cost of the order right there. Not quite that much, but like, yeah. So I'm gonna go to the back of this printer, and I'll have to take all this off. But I'm gonna see if through the power supply and the way that it divvies out stuff, if I can figure out how much voltage is getting sent where, and maybe I can up it on the extruder a little bit, and it'll work better. Duct tape up here. So yeah, so this is what the back of this thing looks like. So we gotta figure out which one's the extruder and why it's not pushing enough voltage, and if that's even the issue in the first place. But alright, well, thanks guys. I will be back hopefully when this thing is running.